Meditation is a practice. The more often you do it, the more benefits you will receive. Meditation can assist you with stress relief, focus, self-awareness, being present in the moment, patience, reducing negative emotions, and creativity. Find a comfortable position, resting your feet on the floor and your hands comfortably in your lap. When you are ready, gently close your eyes. Begin by taking 3 deep breaths. In for a count of 4 and out for a count of 6. Bring attention to anywhere in your body that you may feel tension. Feel the pull of gravity pulling you towards the center of the earth. Down, down, down towards the center of the earth. Relax your muscles with every breath. Notice the temperature of the air you are breathing. Does it feel cool or warm? There are millions of cells full of activity. Can you feel the activity in your body? Blood is being pumped from your heart, beat after beat. Can you feel your heart beating? Mindfulness gives you an opportunity to be fully aware of all your senses, observing your thoughts, feelings, and sensations without engaging in them. If your mind begins to wander, just bring your focus back to your breathing. It is perfectly normal to have to refocus during meditation. But the more you practice, the less often it will occur. Bring your awareness to your fingers and toes and move them gently. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Great job! You just completed a session of meditation. I encourage you to try meditation for 30 days to see how it improves your life. You can do it for as little as 5 minutes, but to see the benefits more quickly, do it at least 15 minutes. Try different types of meditation until you find the right one for you. Sitting down or lying down, before bed or in the morning when you wake up, walking meditation, and even shower meditation. Use these in combination with the type of meditation you need, like anxiety or stress relief, gratitude, focus, positive energy, chakra cleansing, and many more.